No. No, I need it. Good morning, my powerful MVP family. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh my God, good morning. Good morning to all of you in Jamaica who are still watching the channel and who are still going through your little what's matters. And I'm just praying that you're getting some support. That I know there's a lot of giving out and a lot of things going on down there. And I'm just praying to God that you are one of those who um, is being provided for. We have been doing our GoFundMe again. We do not have um, a grand platform, but whatever we collect, it will definitely go towards something that will be um, necessary. This morning, I want to give a big shout out to all of the people down in Jamaica. Cola Smith, I know. Thank God when you bought the truck. Who knew? I personally was looking that yes, this is some resource for helping people to get stuff from from the hardware stores to their destinations. But look how handily it comes in, that it is available to help bring relief to those who are in need. So God's blessings always. Sir, as you say, God is the greatest. He is indeed the greatest. There's none like him anywhere at all. And so we thank you for being the hands and feet for those donors who are not able to be there. But with what they send, you're able to turn it to good use to make sure that people are fed. We hope, not only being fed, but soon zinc and nails and, things like those will be afforded for them to help them to rebuild. It's not easy. It's not an easy task. I see the struggles when you went into Westmoreland, the desperation of people. Even though I say, even with the desperation, they could have behaved probably better because there was more than enough to go around. I saw a car in, I think, Mona Flex's video that she captured of a white car was there, that so many bags went to that car. Those same people keep reaching and pushing and grabbing bags, and that car went away with so many bags. You had, boy, I tell you. And so, for guys, I hope you got used to. That didn't hit the target. But that's my story. But the fact still remains, it hasn't deterred you. You are still shopping, you're still reaching out. And we're just hoping that, yes, the desperation is real, but people still don't have to behave the way they do, because there are people who are contributing, and in those areas especially, it just seemed like people keep visiting. Popcorn was there, you have been there, and others have been there. So people are doing what they can do, and people have to stop making it seem like if they have life and they have the energy, they had to be pushing, and just give them a chance. Just give each person a chance to get a bag, be satisfied, and move on so somebody else can get. But even in the midst of the hardships, people are just the same. They don't look out for one another. It's about me, me, me. And that's not a good thing. So we thank you for being there, asking for nothing for yourself, but understand that you will need gas to gas up that truck each time it moves. The people who are helping you, yes, they're volunteering some of their time, but they should also, part of the process should be that they get something for all the hours and hours spent to go shop, to go load up the vehicle, to get things done as we move forward. A lot of resources have poured into Jamaica. A lot of celebrities have made things happen in Jamaica. Countries have donated heavily Um, and so I'm hoping that people near and far in the rural, in the hills, will get some support, um, enough to start rebuilding. And today, my message really has to do with the packaging. Um, I don't know. I'm just thinking that not every care package should be the same. Because when you think of the elderly and the babies, in these bags of hope, we should be trying. I know it's hard. I can't sit here and say all of this because I'm not in the situation, but it's just something I thought about when I looked in the lines and I see some of the old people, and yet they're grabbing the bags with the flour and the different things. There are people with high blood pressure, corned beef, even though it's desperate times cause the desperate measures. Corned beef is so salty. So I kind of think that some of the packages, it shouldn't be a one size fit all, but that as you guys do the packages, that as I was thinking after a storm, I guess we all rush to help. And understand it's beautiful. I love it. But today something hit me. Um, are we really thinking about who those packages are going to? Not everyone can eat the same thing. As I was saying, the corned beef are salty. Not everyone has the same needs. When you look at the elderly, the mothers with babies, even those with medical conditions, they all require something a little different. So maybe I'm just saying, again, I'm just Miss Bev, it's just my point of view. Can't tell you guys what to do. I'm just suggesting. If any of you watch the video and you care enough about it, if somebody watches it and wants to pass it on to somebody who is handing out stuff, that um, maybe, just maybe, it's time to start packing with a little more understanding and compassion. As I said, medical conditions mean they can't eat salt, they can't eat certain things. Some people don't need the sugar. So, bags without sugar can be put to another side and find out, are you diabetic? You know, you have people with bad teeth, no teeth. They can't manage a dumpling. A dumpling is tight and hard to chew. And people might say, oh, well, them have to take what them can get. But even so, even though it's a giveaway, it's people donating. But we can make sure that what they're getting, like an older person, porridge, get them Lasco milk and them porridge, them cornmeal for porridge, them sugar, things like those. And rice. Rice everybody can eat. But that's just my opinion. We're talking about some pampers for those who have young babies. They need the Lasco milk. They need the extra little stuff like those, cornmeal for make porridge for the babies. So then we'll get them rice and them flour and whatnot. But also a little extra milk, a little extra stuff because of the baby's needs. Um, so again, you think of Miss Mary down the road, she's 82. She can chew dumplings or hard crackers. But I mean, no, can wet the crackers in tea and still enjoy it. But what if her package had a little more rice, a tin of mackerel, and a few packets of Lasco milk? She could make porridge, something soft and nourishing. And then there's young Shanice, a mother with two babies under 3. Her needs aren't the same either. A few extra tins of Lasco, packets of Lasco, a small pack or 2 of diapers, maybe even some wipes. That's the care that really truly sees her. So you're helping. You see, helping isn't just about giving, it's about understanding who you're giving it to. It's about love with thought, care with wisdom, and giving with empathy. That's just my thing I was thinking yesterday as I was in training yesterday. And so when we got breaks, I was thinking of this and just jotting down a few things. And now the poem today for today is Pack with Heart. Pack a bag, but pack it wise. See the world through someone's eyes. For teeth may fail, or babies cry. One size can't fit each lullaby. A dumpling's joy for some is pain. A mother's hands wash hope again. So weigh your love in thoughtful part. Don't just pack things, pack from your heart. So as we continue to help those rebuilding after the hurricane, let's shift from mass packing to mindful packing. A small act of thought can bring a big wave of comfort. Let's give not just what we have, but what they truly need. So I am your girl, Miss Bev, reminding you that love becomes powerful when it's personal. So let's pack with heart. Make it a great day by Trust, my people. Much, much love to each and every one of you. Again, I send big shout out to, if you go over to the community page, check it out because the new list has been updated. We want to say thank you to Maria. Actually, Maria is my realtor. We bought every house from her. My daughter's house is my son's house, my house, my stepsister's house. Everybody bought from Maria. When I sold my house, it was Maria. So thank you for your donation, Maria. Thank you for contributing to the needs of Jamaica. Thank you to JG. I thought it was the nurse, Judith, but this is a different Judith. I thank you and appreciate your support. We also want to thank Miss Diane. Her YouTube channel is Willa, and I ask that you go over and support her. She donated, but she sent it through Zelle. She sent $50 through Zelle. So we updated the list so that every time you donate, you will see exactly what you donated, and in trying to stay transparent. And as soon as I sort out Jamaica, as I said, I might have to make some changes because I will share a video with you soon. And the need is absolutely, absolutely great. The need is so great because little Kayla, her home is torn apart, guys, and it is heartrending. It is heartrending. So I will seek your advice. I'll seek your support, just to agree with me to send funding to help Kayla rebuild. She has the one brother. I don't even know where he is. He used to be there, but he's no longer there. But the people who took her in through thick or thin, she's there with them. I know Mom went and we got some food stuff for the house, and God is good. And so she did send me a video, but I wanted to make sure that the video is what it is. So she needs to do another video for me. So I will upload both videos because she should be showing me the same house. I've never been to the house, but I want to verify that it's the home. The fridge outside, everything, guys. When the roof gone and the water come in, everything in the house get wet up. Everything, she lost everything. But they're alive and they're thankful for life. And I like that spirit. They're not complaining. They're just thankful for life. So love, love, love to all of you. This is your girl, Miss Bev, saying thanks again for your love and your support. And I hope you will support me in making the changes to support Kayla's family instead.